guys, Darren from venomfluidart. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluid Art Express. After me, we've got Shannon from Shanby Fluid Art. We have Patty from Letspourwithpattie. We've got Carrie from FlukieFluidArt. And last but not least, Bubbles from venomfluidart. So stick around, enjoy the ride. So, one of our famous little crew members here, Carrie from FlukieFluidArt. It was her week to choose what challenge we would do, and she picked funnel pours, where you had to use primary colours, red, blue, yellow. You're allowed to add a metallic if you wanted, or a neon, or a white, or a black. So, I've chosen a couple of different blues, a sort of pinky magenta sort of neon colour, yellow and red with some white. Rather than do just a basic up and down funnel pour, I decided I'd rotate the canvas while I did it, and you end up with really cool wave patterns. So, kick back, relax, I'll throw on some tunes and show you how I did it.
I'd move the world for your eyes, run through the fires for you. I'd put your love on my life, there's nothing I wouldn't do. I don't feel the same when I'm not with you. Coming to, oh, your love is dangerous. You make it dangerous. This is dangerous love. It's dangerous love. It's dangerous love. It's dangerous, dangerous, dangerous love. It's dangerous love. It's dangerous. It's dangerous, dangerous, dangerous love. I climb through your webs, jump off the edge of desire. Your touch takes me higher. Just give me your hands. We'll plunge the waters together and rise through the weather. I don't feel the same when I'm not with you. Fire tablets that fade away, but we will remain. Oh, look what we done, the wars that we won. We rise like the sun, but don't go down. I want it all, I want it all. So long live the king, long live the empire. Yeah, I'll wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king, this is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd, saying King, King, King. Long live the kingdoms will fall to mine is the only one, written in stars like a sign of glory to come. Come. Oh, look what we've done, the wars that we won. We rise like the sun, but we won't go down. I want it all, I want it all. Long live the king, long live the empire. Yeah, I wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king, this is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd, saying king, king, king. Long live the king, king, king. Long live the. I know you've heard all the stories about me. Sometimes a legend is hard to believe. Yeah, I'll show you just how true they can be. Let's raise a glass to the king. Long live the king, long live the empire. Yeah, I wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king, this is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd, saying king, king, king. Long live the king, king, king. Long live the king. Legend has it we could be legends, etched in the stone, forever on thrones. History's made in the moments. Heroes collide, it's all on the line with our backs against the wall. We came to fight. We came to take what was meant to be ours. There's no place to hide. Yeah, it's written all over the stars. Nothing
Alright guys, we'll do a flyover of that one. How much fun are they? So with these, all I'm doing is, as I do my little funnel pour, I rotate the canvas as you go, and it gives you a really cool little wave. So yeah, loads of fun. Give it a go, you'll love it. Alright guys, up next we've got Shannon from Shanby Art. Click on the link that I put in the live chat, that'll take you to her premiere for today, or if you're a member of Paint Pouring by VenomFluidArt on Facebook, use the play all list, that way you get to see everybody on the Fluid Art Express one after another and you don't get lost. If you've liked this, hit like, share and subscribe, ring that notification bell, ding ding, that way you get to see all this fun stuff as I release it. Alright guys, that's it from me, so have fun, take care, I'll see you in the next one, bye for now.